How do you win a CPS case involving domestic violence? Well, one of the key things is the most important argument to be made is this an isolated incident? And if this is an isolated incident, the issue is going to be more so addressed at the time of the jurisdiction hearing. Is there domestic violence, or is there likely to be domestic violence in the future? And if there isn't, then essentially the allegation must be found dismissed or not true. However, oftentimes the department and the judge will often find that domestic violence is existing based off of the past conduct. And that's because, well, that was the reason why the case opened. And they believe because of that particular conduct, there is substantial risk of harm that the child can be subject to further domestic violence. However, that's not necessarily the case. You can always make the argument, you can always litigate the issue, and my recommendation is to do so. Especially when your child's been removed from your care, you always want to try to argue for return if it's clear on who the victim is. Contact